Are you suffering from serious dating app fatigue? In 2025, it feels like finding a genuine connection online is a full-time job, but what if you just haven't been using the right tools? We've swiped through countless platforms to bring you the best dating apps that actually work, whether you're seeking a casual fling or a lifelong partner. Make sure to check the description below for direct links to download these amazing apps and start your journey today. Our first top pick, number 1. AdultFriendFinder*, is ideal for those seeking casual connections without the pressure, earning its spot as a reader favorite. Next up, number 2. Tinder*, remains the ultimate choice for finding quick hookups and exploring diverse options with its iconic swipe mechanic. For those looking for more regular meetups and building connections beyond just a casual encounter. Number 3. Hinge*, is a popular standout, known for its focus on conversation starters. If your goal is serious commitment and a potential ring on your finger, you absolutely need to explore number 4. eharmony*, a platform renowned for its in-depth matchmaking for lasting relationships. Finally, number 5. Bumble*, empowers users to make the first move, fostering respectful interactions and offering versatility for various types of connections. Don't let dating app burnout stop you from finding love or fun. The secret truly lies in choosing the platform that aligns with your intentions. Discover which of these best dating apps for 2025 will revolutionize your online dating experience.